Yo, so what's up, guys? I've been getting a lot of questions about these, let me see, these nail strips and using them to, you know, change the look of your BRTs. And this is something that Mike's been doing since, like, man, forever. And I'm pretty sure he still does it. But, yeah, I'm just gonna show you how it's done, I guess. You can pretty much do this on, like, every pair of trucks you can imagine. So, uh, so let me just take off these hangers for you. So yeah, all you really need are the hangers and let me put this over. These nail strips. So when you get these nail strips, they'll come with two packages. Come in two packages, one for each hand. And honestly, I think it comes with 5 tips. You know, one for every finger, of course. And I think you can honestly only use 2 of the bigger ones because the other ones are too thin to cover up the whole truck. So, I mean, you could probably salvage the little pieces and use them for the little piece, like this part right here. This part. Anyway, you come with this kit. It comes with a file with a grittier side and this like weird, like soft side. You're gonna mostly be using this side because this side is just too rough. Comes with this weird like stick. It's really handy for pushing the strips into the little creases. So you honestly you're just gonna be using these. So yeah, these are pretty much like it's pretty much like nail polish. It smells exactly like it too. Anyway, so you see it comes with all these little pieces. I thought there was 5, but there's more. You could probably you'll use these 2, and you could probably maybe even use these, and then you could use the really thin one to cover up this part of the hanger. But I usually don't do that because it's just too much work. And what you want to do is peel off both sides of the it's a double-sided thing. If you don't I've noticed if you don't peel this off correctly, sometimes it won't stick. So you just want to peel both sides. And what you want to do basically is just, I guess, slap it on there the way you want it. I leave this part of the truck exposed so it'll fit into the pivot cup better. And so yeah, basically just mold it onto the hanger. Fold, damn, I don't know if this focus. Fold this part into the, so it like just wraps around right here. So it just wraps around. And then you want to just tuck this part in and then fold it over that side. And so, see here, you get the general idea of how it'll look. I got this like cool gold two-tone purple thing, whatever. I don't know, I'm colorblind. So yeah, surprisingly, this actually covers this part of the truck. So that's cool. And what I usually do is I get the stick, and there's this indent on the BRTs, and I press it down. So you see how it's like, you can see the impression in the nail polish strips. And then the fun part begins, I guess. Not really. So you want to get your you want to get the file with the soft side, and you just want to, oh shoot, my bad. Sorry, back to the stick. You want to like press the nail polish strips onto this part of the truck. Oh fuck. Where the axle meets the hanger or wherever, and create that little like, get it to fold on like the corners, I guess. And same on the other side. Forgot to mention, if you have like pieces that are sticking up, just use a stick and like press it onto the surface, you know? So it just looks perfect. Like here I'm having a problem with the hole. So literally just press it into the little creases and you're good. Yeah, you could use your nails too. Just like pinch it in there. Alright, now get your file and start just filing the edge. Just be patient about it, because if you rush it, it'll look like crap. You can see it's starting to like come off. Just peel the excess off. And you see on one side already, it's like pretty much done. See that? And just do that for the other side. This stuff is so easy to work with when you're molding it around the axle. You could even use the stick to just like cut it to make it easier for the filing process. Yeah, look at that. Get this cool, like, sparkly hanger. Oh shit. With the kingpin hole cover too. Right there. You can just clean that up. Here I have them set up with some Fatmans and level up bushings. And honestly, they came out pretty good. I'm not going to set them up yet, but that's what they look like. And I'll take some B-roll shots for you guys.